guys, Morgan here at the Carolina Disney Girl. We've got some unboxing to do. How exciting is that? Yay! If you haven't heard already, they are actually doing an Ariel collection with Revolution Beauty for the Disney Princess line. I was super excited. I got the email last week. I immediately went online and ordered it, and sadly, it's already sold out. So without further ado, let's check it out. So first things first, we have the lip topper. And I just have to say, everything is packaged in purple, which I thought was so cute. This is the lip topper. It's very pearly, iridescent. I mean, very Little Mermaid, ocean. So, and one thing I like about Revolution Beauty is it doesn't give you, I like the lip topper, so that way like you can kind of focus a little bit more on your eye makeup. But that's the lip topper. The highlighter did come. Sadly, it got damaged in delivery. It is complete powder. If I open this box up again, powder's gonna go everywhere. I had a huge mess that I had to clean up. But it's really pretty. It was like a bronzy color, like very beautiful. It looked a lot like the other princess ones. It was a heart. But yeah, I just really don't want to open it again because I would have a whole mess. So I hope you guys understand, and I'm so sorry that I can't open it. But the big thing is the face palette. So just like the other princess ones, we've got a face palette. I've actually got it here. I love that they are books. I have the other princesses displayed on my vanity. It looks like I have books on my vanity. It looks really cute. The detail here, you've got Sebastian and little starfish. I mean, how cute is that? But this is really what you guys want to see. The face palette. So it has See the Possibilities, which I thought was really cute. And luckily, even though my highlighter got damaged, there's highlighter and blushes on this side of the face palette. But then again, you've got all these wonderful colors. I mean, this is just a super playful palette. I like this one here. It's called Aquatica. Dingle Hopper, of course, Mermaid, Alana. So I mean, you've got the sisters here too. Anita, Ursula is of course this purple. I mean, it's just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. We'll go ahead and peel it back. I'm just gonna try a few of the shades. So this one right here at the top is called Scuttle. I feel like that's a great base color. So I'm just gonna pull some, and I'm actually gonna grab my mirror. And apply. I've already got my eyeshadow primer on. There we go. So like that's Scuttle, which I feel like is, like I said, a very great base one. And then I'm gonna pull some of the Dingle Hopper, and I'm gonna put that right on my lid. That's really cute. I mean, I'm as you know from previous videos, I've pretty much bought every Disney palette that Revolution Beauty has. So I really like their selection. I'm then gonna grab I'm gonna be a little playful and grab some Aquata, sorry. I am totally mispronouncing it. I'm just gonna put it in the gray crease right here. Can't really see it because it's going in the crease. Yeah, can't really see it because it's going in the crease. So let's pull, I'm gonna pull some Mermaid. I'm not gonna go too far because it is so red. I feel like it's gonna go a long way. So I'm just gonna lightly kind of put that in the corner. Oh, see, that looks good. And I'm gonna blend it because it definitely needs some blending. All right. I mean, that is actually really good. Like with all these colors, they're so playful. I don't really want to like mix a lot with them because I don't want to clash anything. But I feel like this is a really good neutral look. I mean, obviously, you know, I can throw a little Triton here. And of course, gives me a little gold hues. But I mean, again, beautiful palette. So happy with it. Can't wait to play with it more. I would definitely, if you're not already on their email list for Revolution Beauty, get on it. That way if they do a restock of this or any of the other Disney ones, you can grab it. But yeah, super excited to have this one. All right, guys, until next time, Hakuna Matata.